Kasi
Kumayag.
first movie na eh. She's part of the film. Yeah. She's
Kaya Christina.
Paano mo siya na-convince? Or siya may gusto?
Or you can answer. Say hi to everyone.
Did your mom have to convince you?
What?
You wanted to act. You really wanted to.
Shy ba?
Ganda ng eyes niya.
Was it fun?
Was it fun, Olivia? Sumagot ka. Nahiya ka.
Nag-workshop ba siya?
Nag-workshop ka ba daw? Did you practice any acting workshop? Are you excited to see yourself today? Nahiya siya. Hindi na kayo nagtatanong.
Kumusta? Tinuruan mo ba siya?
Syempre, nung una, pumayag lang ako kasi akala ko maglalakad lang siya eh. Tapos pagdating sa set, biglang nagkaroon ng linya. Tapos maya-maya, biglang iiyak. Oh my God! Kinabahan ako, but thankfully, nandun yung daddy niya, nandun yung mga yaya. So, lahat kami team Olivia. So, lahat kami support sa kanya. She did very well. And I didn't expect na makuha niya agad. So, parang na-realize ko na since sinasama ko siya sa dating since baby pa, parang na-observe niya rin yung ginagawa.
Crying scene.
Ha?
Crying scene.
Yeah, how was it?
Yeah, how was it? Was it hard to cry? But you were tired. You got tired after. What were so many animals? What were you thinking while crying? Did you imagine? Nothing? Where did you learn the technique? At home!
Wow.
Did your mommy tell you? You practice at home when no one's watching? Like in the bathroom? Just cry every day. For no reason at all. Practice. Do you like to...
No practice.
Over... Olivia, do you want to star in more? Ano? No.
Wow.
But you had fun. What did your mommy tell you on before you started acting?
She said,
Finish what you started. Yeah.
You weren't nervous at all. Were you scared? What were you feeling? That's it.
Tipid naman ang sagot mo.
No. Is there no chance of getting another role again soon?
No?
Okay.
Tapil. Sorry.
Sir Lar.
Sir Lar.
Sorry.
Ito yung learn na muna.
Kung gusto mo yung naano kayo lahat sa kanya. Your classmates and teachers gonna watch you. Say hi.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
New movie.
Yes.
And special to because that was Olivia will be acting for the first time. So how were you able to engage her?
Okay, yeah, it's a very special movie kasi it's gonna be with Olivia and she's playing the young me. Convincing her, tinanong lang ako one day ng director namin kung pwede ba siyang gumanap na young me. Sabi ko na, basta walang linya kasi hindi siya masyadong fluent sa Tagalog eh. Siyempre sabay English, Bisaya, Tagalog. So halo-halo yung mga lingwahe niya. But she's more on English. Tapos sabi ng director, wala naman daw linya. Tapos I told her about it. And she said yes. And pagdating namin sa set, biglang nagkaroon ng linya. Tapos biglang iiyak. Siyempre, ako yung mas kinakabahan sa kanya. But thankfully, nandun si Norman, ang Team Yaya. We're all there to support her. And nairaos naman namin. And she did one take lang.
Did you find it hard? Were you able to cry easily? What did you think when you were crying? But nothing.
You always do that at home, no?
So you didn't
Joke
have to
lang.
practice.
No.
And Anong nakita mo sa kanya when she was acting?
Siya, mas umiyak, yung pakiramdam ng nanay na proud, yung parang naiyak na rin ako. Mas nauna pang umiyak kaysa sa kanya sa eksena. Nakakatuwa kasi parang totoo pala yung feeling na gano'n. And I'm just so happy na she got to experience it and you know, she gets to think na anong gusto niyang gawin in life. And now she realized na mas gusto muna niya mag-school. Then after that, maybe pag malaki na siya, she can get into it.
So, nakakagawa itong movie na to kasi parang it's a tribute to a place.
Yes, yes.
Small town.
It's a small town. It's named Paki Laguna. It's a very beautiful town. It's a really close to my heart kasi since mahilig ako sa antiques and anything Catholic. So when you go to the town, it's really magical there. And when you go inside the church, magical meaning nandun yung ganun ng Dolorosa na si Tulumba. Nagbibigay talaga siya ng mga miracles. And it's nice because we Filipinos believe in those things and we should be happy and proud in this also.
At isipin mo, in a place near Manila, there's a town like that.
Yes, oo. Kaya sana po puntahan nyo, lalo na ngayong Holy Week, maganda po yung ano nila dyan, festivities. And naniniwala po ako, bibigay ko siya ng milagro.
How is it working again with Jay?
Masaya. I mean, oh my God, last time I saw him, malalaman yung edad ko. Huy! Mag-google niyo ako. Basta, bagets pa kami, medyo chubby pa ako. Oo. So, parang nakakapanibago kasi parang that time, I saw him in a different way and I saw him now. And I'm so happy to see him in a good place right now. And I'm so happy that I'm working with him again. And sabay kaming lumalaki and I'm a fan. So, I'm lucky na I have given this chance to work with him.
Oo, at naiba yung maturity niya as a person, yung character niya, parang, di ba, ang laki ng pinagbago. In a good way.
And yun yung maganda, lahat, full support talaga naman. Masaya ako para sa kanya. You know, everybody deserves second chances.
Did you reminisce with him nung time na yun since you guys were really as actors? Ibang level na rin yung
reminisce yung chubby chicks ko dati.
Yung filmography nyo since then, like, wow, di ba?
Yeah, nare-reminisce namin. And you know, he's one of the most brilliant actors in Philippine cinema. And it's a privilege. Thank you, Jay.
You're two of the most, kumbaga parang you chase the hardest characters on screen. Kayong dalawa, di ba?
Yeah, yes, I want to. And I think I can do it. And para sa akin, being an actor kasi it's a blessing kasi every day is something new. Every day is different. And ako rin, I wanna do those things. Siguro pag may asawa ka na at medyo may edad ka na, you're more risky to try more new things and to do more, you know, out of the box.
What's the most challenging part of doing Paki? Humiga ka pa raw sa kalye.
Hindi naman challenge sa akin yung alarm para sa dami ko nang napagdaanan sa shoot. Siguro yung challenging lang sa akin, yung nilublob ako sa malamig na tubig talaga. Doon akala ko na parang, ay, ginoo ko. Parang hirap umacting na nanginginig. Yung kahit anong pigil ko, parang yun yung nahirapan ako. But all throughout, I really enjoyed the experience kasi mahilig ako sa mga antiques and mga culture things. So, I even brought my family there with me. They stayed with me. So they really, that's a whole thing.
What did your daughter enjoy?
Yeah, what did you enjoy most?
Is it when you interview her?
Paki, what do you remember? Yes.
Did you see the old church?
The church. Did you enjoy that? How about...
Did you pray? Did you pray in the church? No.
Sound like an address.
I love it.
Edit.
At least na, architecture.
Okay.
Architecture. No, but